Hi friends! Today we are going to draw these hands. First of all, we make a quick sketch with very soft lines. Why? Because these lines are meant to guide the proportions of our drawing, but when our sketch is finished, we must erase them. So, if these lines are very soft, we can erase them and leave no trace of them on our drawing. I'm using an HB pencil. Okay, now, excellent. Now I have the thumb in this way, because we are not going to see the whole thumb, because there is another hand here. Following the proportions of the other fingers of the hands that is below the first one. Okay, a little more here, and now I have to refine my drawing, and after it I will clean the drawing, erasing all the guidelines. If you like these videos, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done yet, and click the bell to receive notifications from YouTube when I upload new videos. Okay? Okay, now excellent. As you can see, in my videos I don't eliminate almost anything, any part of the video. It's a little accelerated to be not very boring, but you can see it slowly with the options of the player of YouTube. Now I have almost all the sketch of my hands. Okay. Now what I have to do now? I must erase guidelines. Okay, clean it with a soft brush and redraw if any line have been erased by mistake, and now refine your drawing before shading. You must shade only when your drawing suits your needs and you see it is good enough to be shaded. Okay? Wrinkles and articulations are very important in a hand. One common mistake when we draw hands is make them too flat. Hands are three-dimensional. So remember, fingers and hands have a thickness. Okay? Now the wrinkles of the fingers, and I think it is almost done this sketch. And now I'll begin with the shadows. I'll begin with a 2B pencil. With this pencil that is very dark, it's a Tombow, and it goes really good to shadow everything. As you can see, I'm doing this very soft, because I must blur with many of these shadows. Others not, because not all shadows must be blurred, and many times is better that some lines remain in your drawing to give it more the sense of a rough sketch. Why? Because when we see a drawing, is more artistic and more organic if we see it as a drawing and not as a photography. Remember, for photography are cameras. You are not a camera. You are an artist. You must give some artistic some artistic part of yourself in your drawing. Okay? Now, be very careful with your shadows to separate forms and fingers. Okay, and remember, all materials are listed below in the description of this video. Many times I use this other pencil that is not a pencil at all, it's an eraser with the shape of a pencil, okay? You can shape it and use just like a pencil but to erase. In drawing, the eraser is just one more tool. Many people think that you must not erase to draw well. It is a mistake, because erasers help not only to correct mistakes, but is a tool to gain and get effects and textures and lights, etc. So, have many types of erasers, like this putty eraser, a needle eraser, a pencil eraser, a precision eraser. Have as many erasers as you can, because every one of them give different effects. To blur, you can use artistic stamps, pencils, etc. Now, I am just finishing this drawing. What do you think? It is beautiful? I think so. So, see you soon next week. I hope you see you. Okay, bye.